Every railway yard in the invasion area was systematically bombed before D-Day. Every bridge was down over the River Seine and the Loire when the Allies invaded. Thus was the German army confined to a small area. At the same time, this demolition on the grand scale would have impeded Allied pursuit of the enemy if the engineers hadn't done one of the quickest repair jobs in military history. Complete sections of railway points manufactured in Britain were laid as soon as the debris was removed. Frenchmen helped. British engineers patched up the bridges sufficiently to carry traffic very soon after D-Day. Soon the railways were in good enough condition for train ferries to put rolling stock onto French soil in the great quantities necessary to supply armies, numbering more than 2 millions.